Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 Ranger XLT in magnetic with black premium cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5-foot box. This has a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, and it's a 4x4. It also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It has a manually sliding window in the rear, as well as a reverse camera. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also a manually adjusted driver's seat with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. With the aid of your running board, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. And when we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, as well as a menu that we can toggle through. And it'll come up here really quickly. So we can start off with trip 1, trip 2, fuel economy, truck info, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. You've got a little cubby up top to put items, and you can touch on your screen for the different options. We can go into audio, and our sources are AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You also have your climate control, and you'll see dual climate control for driver and passenger. There's your settings. You can slide through for different options, automatic updates, Wi-Fi, and so forth. There's your hazard lights, volume, and tuner. And then down below is the dual climate control. Your fans in the center there, front and rear defrost, as well as AC and max AC. And you have a 12 volt for each driver and passenger, as well as 2 USB outlets. There's hill descent, auto stop start for less idle time, locking differential, tow haul, traction control. There's your 4x4, and in the center is TM, which means terrain modes. And you can press through normal, grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts, sand, and back around again. And I simply did that by pushing in the center on that button that says TM. You have an automatic select shifter, your emergency parking brakes right beside the driver, a couple of cup holders, your armrest unclips just underneath here, and lots of room down there. Put items. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above is a manually dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you also have a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, magnetic colored running board, body colored black door handle, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. In the back, the tailgate has a black handle. Just below the Ford badge is your backup camera view, and your tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have your backup sensors on your bumper. So with your backup reverse camera, when you put the vehicle in reverse, you see it in the LCD screen in the center console. And you also have a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then to open up your tailgate, you simply put your hand in the latch. There's tie downs in all 4 corners, and when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and your power locks. There's seating for 3 in the back, and this is a bench seat. You have an armrest in the center with a couple of cup holders. I'm just going to pop that up, and what you do to bring up the seat, there's a tab on either side, so you just pull that and do it on one side or the other. It lifts right up. You've got a nice little bin underneath, your jack's on the other side. Then pull it again, and it'll come right down for you, and it goes back into the regular seated position. And there's also anchors at the base. There's carpeted mats on the floor. It also comes with all-weather mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, you have USB outlets as well as 110. Up above, there's lighting, hooks and handles, and in the back, a manually sliding window with rear defrost. Body colored bumper, 5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, and this vehicle also has lane keeping and pre-collision assist, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.